All right, so first things first, we got to fillet our fish.
Okay.
So I always have a glove on hand.
Yeah, when you're working with raw proteins.
Yeah,
Helps.
it's sort of just habit at this point.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get our smoker going.
Beautiful Bronzino.
Thank you.
Now, where do you guys source your fish?
We get it from Samuel's and Sons.
Of course you do.
Of course we do.
Who doesn't get their fish from
Who
Samuel's
doesn't?
in Philly?
So Bronzino is, they're always kind of easy to get.
Yeah, this is a big Bronzino.
Yeah, this is like a 3-pounder. Mm-hmm. So we got one fillet there.
Nice.
And then I like to clean my knife in between.
And do you use other fish than Bronzino, or do you typically stick with this?
I mean, we use tile fish in the summer when it's around,
Nice.
Coming from the Jersey Shore.
Yeah.
We've used wild bass before. We've used
I guess really
smoked
whatever you have.
trout.
Yeah, whatever
We've
you have
used
that's
cod. We've used just about everything.
Awesome.
So we'll get rid of that. So I'm going to take the ribs out here.
All right.
Just slice it.
And right in front of me here, I can't help but notice all of this smoke billowing up. So
Exactly.
we're going to smoke this.
So, I mean,
Right here.
we're going to smoke it right here. We have some applewood wood chips. Now, you could
Nice.
pin bone them if you like. You can also, if you're at home and you don't have like fish tweezers.
Right.
It's not like the ideal way, but,
can
all
kinda
the
just
pin
cut
bones
that
are
out.
right here. Exactly. You can do that. Or you can even smoke it and then flake it and take the pin bones once they're cooked.
Just make sure you get them all.
Just make sure you get it. I don't like to do that, especially in the restaurant, because it could be a little risky. All right, so there you go.